The journey begins with premium full-grain cowhide, selected for luxury furniture and auto interiors.
Every hide is inspected for natural grain and surface quality. Only the finest sections continue to production.
Advanced vision systems analyze every hide in seconds. AI maximizes usable leather while minimizing waste.
CNC cutting delivers perfect dimensions with exceptional precision. Every pattern is optimized for maximum material efficiency.
Each leather panel is sorted for its exact application. Precise organization keeps production flowing efficiently. Skiving creates thinner edges for smooth, professional stitching. This step ensures luxurious seam quality. Edge finishing improves durability and appearance. The protective coating prevents long-term wear. Controlled drying locks the finish into the leather. Each panel is prepared for precision sewing.
Heavy-duty stitching creates strong, elegant leather panels. Every seam is engineered for years of use. Decorative stitching adds both strength and premium style. Luxury craftsmanship is visible in every detail. Every stitch is inspected before assembly. Quality control ensures flawless craftsmanship. Precision-cut foam provides lasting comfort and support. Each cushion is shaped to exact specifications.
Skilled technicians wrap leather smoothly over every cushion. The upholstery is carefully tensioned for a wrinkle-free finish.
The upholstered components are secured to durable structural frames. Every connection is checked for long-term strength. Premium leather conditioner nourishes the natural fibers. This protective layer enhances durability and appearance. Every shade is matched to strict luxury standards. Only perfectly finished leather moves forward.
Precision embossing adds the signature luxury identity. The logo becomes a permanent part of the leather.
The embossed finish is carefully polished. Every detail reflects premium craftsmanship. Precision assembly combines comfort with structural strength. Each sofa is built for decades of performance. Laser-guided alignment ensures perfect fit. Every connection is checked for precision.
Durability testing recreates thousands of seating cycles. Only products meeting strict standards continue.
Automotive seats are tested under realistic operating conditions. Every movement must remain smooth and reliable. Each seam is inspected one final time. Luxury quality leaves no room for imperfections.
Every surface is cleaned before final protection. The leather's natural beauty is fully revealed.
A protective topcoat increases resistance to wear. It preserves the leather's luxurious appearance. Controlled curing locks in long-lasting protection. The finish hardens without affecting the natural leather texture. Cooling stabilizes the leather before shipment. Every product is checked once more. Protective packaging preserves every premium finish. The products are prepared for global delivery. Every finished product is digitally tracked before shipment. Advanced warehouse systems ensure complete inventory accuracy.
Each shipment is matched to its global destination. Every package receives maximum transport protection. Luxury products are carefully secured inside export containers. Every shipment is protected for long-distance transport. Electronic seals protect every shipment during transit. Digital tracking provides complete logistics visibility.
From the factory floor to customers worldwide, every shipment begins its international journey.
Regional distribution centers ensure fast delivery. Products are organized for their final destination.
Premium leather interiors become part of luxury automobiles. Precision installation preserves perfect alignment.
Luxury furniture is displayed in premium showrooms. The natural leather immediately attracts attention. Every detail is perfected before customer viewing. The premium finish reflects exceptional craftsmanship. Customers experience the comfort of genuine premium leather. Every stitch reflects world-class manufacturing. Premium leather transforms every journey. Craftsmanship meets modern automotive luxury.
Every sofa combines engineering with handcrafted precision. Luxury begins with exceptional materials.
This massive factory produces luxury leather products on an extraordinary scale. Advanced automation works alongside skilled craftsmanship.
Automation and skilled craftsmanship work together seamlessly. This is how world-class leather products are manufactured. From premium raw leather to world-class luxury products, every step demands precision.
Every leather surface is tested to withstand years of daily use. Laboratory testing guarantees exceptional durability. Engineers verify the strength of every leather batch. Only high-performance leather meets luxury standards. Repeated flexing ensures the leather remains soft and crack-resistant. Luxury comfort must last for years. Advanced UV testing protects leather from fading. The finish is engineered for long-term beauty. Protective coatings help resist moisture and spills. The leather remains beautiful under everyday conditions. Extreme temperature testing ensures year-round performance. Premium leather must remain comfortable in every climate. Microscopic analysis confirms the integrity of every leather fiber. Scientific precision supports luxury craftsmanship. Precision instruments verify consistent leather coloration. Every production batch meets strict specifications. Even leather offcuts are carefully recovered. Recycling helps reduce material waste. Recovered leather fibers gain a second life. Sustainable manufacturing improves resource efficiency.
Data suggests a slight increase in inflow from the finishing line. Confirmed. I am increasing the polymer feed rate now.
Modern factories combine craftsmanship with energy efficiency. Advanced systems help optimize production resources. Digital monitoring keeps every production line running efficiently. Smart manufacturing improves consistency and quality. From raw leather to world-class luxury products, every stage demands precision. Each luxury product receives a unique identification number. Certification guarantees complete production traceability.
A final inspection confirms exceptional quality. Every stitch and surface must be flawless.
Premium packaging protects every handcrafted detail. The products are prepared for safe global transport. Automation prepares large export orders with precision. Every shipment is securely organized. Accurate documentation keeps global deliveries moving. Every shipment is digitally tracked. Finished products are loaded with maximum care. Every container is prepared for international shipping. Luxury leather products begin their global journey. Precision manufacturing reaches customers around the world. The finished products arrive at their final destinations. Luxury craftsmanship is ready to be experienced. Premium leather furniture combines elegance and durability. Every detail reflects world-class craftsmanship. Premium leather transforms every driving experience. Luxury begins with exceptional materials and expert craftsmanship. This world-class facility combines innovation with craftsmanship. Every department contributes to exceptional quality. Behind every luxury product is a dedicated team. Human expertise and automation work together seamlessly. Every stage contributes to unmatched quality. Precision and craftsmanship define every finished product. Luxury is created through patience, precision, and passion. Every finished product represents exceptional craftsmanship. From carefully selected leather to world-class luxury furniture and automotive interiors, Every step reflects